Nighttime eating. Your sleep patterns can influence your eating habits, particularly nighttime eating. Sleep deprivation can increase the likelihood of nighttime snacking, which can contribute to weight gain due to the additional caloric intake. Establish a regular sleep routine and avoid late-night eating to support your weight management goals. Creating healthy sleep and eating patterns can improve your overall health and reduce the risk of weight gain. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Mindful Life Lounge for more enlightening content,